everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet C10 short box pickup truck, guys. This thing is stunning, man. I absolutely love the color combination. I wish we had some sunshine today, but unfortunately Mother Nature is just killing us with clouds and rain. You can see it's a bright silver metallic. It's got all a red interior. Love this truck, man. It's got a great look to it. It's got 400 miles on a complete frame-off restoration, brand new 350 crate engine, 700 R4 trans, disc brakes, air, LED tail lights. It's sitting on 20-inch, I think those are Eagle billet wheels. I love the Redlines. Those are not bias ply. They're radio Redlines, 20-inch wheels and tires all the way around it. Killer truck. Runs and drives excellent. Like I say, I wish we had some sunshine today, man. Give you just a real kind of feel for what this thing looks like, because it pops. That's just a little bug there. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's a couple little marks on it. It looks like it's actually original. Little touch-up mark on the hood there. If you're a veteran of these videos, you know that I tell you, you can pick something on any of them. There's also a little touch-up mark in the grill. This truck is pretty though, guys. I'll tell you, man, it just jumps out to me. It is kind of spitting a little rain. I apologize, but I think we've got 13 cars inside the building here that are not advertised, so we're going to do our darndest to get these things advertised today. Love that red interior, man. Beautiful wood bed. Again, it's got the LED tail lights. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. Love the wheels and tires on it. Yeah, I dig this truck, man. It's got a great look to it. You can see how nice that trim is. Those are Eagle alloy wheels. We got this thing up in the air, got some great pictures at the bottom for you. It's got the front disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. Yeah, and this is it's a 350 cubic inch crate engine. It's got a Edelbrock 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifold. You can see it's got the billet front runner system on it, pulley system. Power steering, power front disc brakes, vintage heat and AC. It's got the 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Mirrors are nice. Door handles have been replaced. Well, I love the color combo, man. Pretty color combo. It's got new carpet, new sill plates. Seats are nice. You can see it's got that Velocity Phantom gauge cluster in it. Ididit tilt column with an intro billet wheel. Look how nice that dash pad is. 432 miles on this truck, guys. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's all dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. Pretty truck. Oh, it's got the new fuel tank. There's your fuel filler. So they've relocated the fuel tank out of the cab. Oh, you want to do that, Jay? You got to pull this up. If I can do it with one hand, you have to do it. Sorry. Brand new fuel tank. Truck is nice, man. Pretty truck. There's a couple little marks in this door jamb. I saw it where they probably adjusting the doors, touched it up. Again, bought and sold 6,000 of these things. You can find something on all of them. Boy, this seat is nice. I love the stitching in it. You can see, I mean, it's all done back here. I mean, it's a nice truck. Your vintage AC stuff. Love the dash. Pretty truck. Forgot to tell you, it's push button to start too. I forgot about that. They just kick your AC on, it blows cold. There's a couple of, if you see any of those, are just little, I don't know what it is, something got come up on there, just a little dust or dirt. Fuel gauge works. Does clockwork, Jay? Doesn't have a second hand on it, so.
It's digital. Oh. There's a setting underneath the dashboard.
Oh, okay. It probably works. Looks like everything else on it's working. Again, tilt column. Remind me of showing that push button. Hey, Jay, back up. The backup lights. Again, it's push button start. Radio works. Push blower motor works. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Forgot it's got the little third brake light in there. Pretty truck, man.